Next up, Meds Wanted in Grey Zone Warfare Night Ops. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. For this, we need to find the UNLRA Medical Supplies at the town's water tower and bring them back. This is super simple. If we check the map, you're in one of the three places, whether it's Mithras, Crimson, or Lamang. Zooming into your town, you'll see it has this general T shape. Yours will just be slightly rotated if you're part of a different group. We're looking for the town's water tower, which should be this thing over here. So for me, it's on the far east side, which is the bottom right of the T shape here. That's where we'll need to head. Let's do it. As you can immediately see, coming from the Bravo 3 or LZ3, we can see the water tower to the west over there. If you're starting your quest with this, that's where you'll be heading. Making our way towards the water tower, you should eventually come to a place like this. Usually the best place to enter is the front here, so that's what I'll be doing. Make sure to check both sides, as there are tons of guards around in this area. Even though they are the easiest tier of bots, there's just so many of them that they are very angry. So coming in here and clearing things out, you can see the giant water tower is here. And just like that, we've discovered the area. All we need to do now is find the medical supplies. And essentially we'll be heading towards this building down here. So for me, in Mithras, just south of the water tower here, it's this back building here. Now inside of this to the right, you'll find a bunch of these boxes lying around the place. We're looking for this one over here, this little white and blue box. We'll need to take this, assuming you have space that is, there we go, a 2x2 item, and take it back to complete this quest. Now that we're back, if you happen to die, unfortunately, you will lose the package and you'll need to go out and fetch it again, which is what happened to me. Let's go ahead and retry that, I suppose. Now that we're back, I can hand this back to Lab Rat, and once we've done so, we can complete the quest. So hopefully you found this useful. That has been Meds Wanted. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.